Commander, this British Airways operated A380 aircraft for your flight to London Heathrow tonight. Welcome on board, lovely to have you with us. And the good news is doors are closed and we're ready to call for our pushback clearance around about 10 minutes ahead of our published departure time. My co-pilot this evening, Senior First Officer Holly Tucker, is doing the flying for us to London tonight. She's just on the radio to air traffic control now, getting that pushback clearance. So we anticipate pushing back a few minutes ahead of schedule.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard British Airways Flight 707 bound for Prague. Today's flight time will be about 3 hours 20 minutes following takeoff. The captain of the flight is Chris Lappin, and this is your flight attendant, Christian Sanders. Now, please make sure your seat back is in the upright position. Your table